Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about Oman no movement ban. Oman government Supreme Committee has announced that there will be no movement ban from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. and it will start on Sunday 11 October until 24 October. 11 October 2020 until 24 October 2020. It will be on daily basis from 8 p.m. onward 5 a.m. So there will be no movement. Nobody can move outside. Only those people who have flights they can go, and all those who want to move from like city to city, they need approval. Only limited transportation will be allowed. Those carrying necessary things, emergency needs, and blah blah. After that, airport will be remain open. There is no changes in airport schedule. All scheduled flight will arrive and departure will be on time. All passenger can, they can go. Only one person they can drop on the airport. There is no need to go many person like usually we used to go 4 or 5 people. They will see of them or they will welcome. No, only single person will allow to go them to drop there. After that, the beaches are totally closed. No crowd will be on beaches, and the beaches will be closed until further notice. From 11 October onward, nobody can visit beach for swimming also or for exercise, because recently Oman Supreme Committee they allowed swimmer, they can go for swimming or exercise like jogging, walking, blah blah. So all those activity will be banned on beaches. Regarding school opening and masjid opening, there is no news yet. Hopefully Supreme Committee will announce in coming few days. Let's see what they have decided to do. Either they are going to open masjid and other worship places, or they are going to start classes like recently Supreme Committee was announced that classes will be start in school. Classes will be start on 1st of November. So till now there is no news about that. And those all people who are coming back to Oman or who are leaving Oman, those who are coming, they need corona test on Muscat airport, and those who are leaving Oman, they have to go. Of course, some countries they need corona test. They have to do COVID-19 test before leaving, and on departure day, if their temperature is more than 38, they have to do again COVID-19 test. So all those people who have flight, they have to check their temperature, body temperature, before they arrive on airport. So inshallah khair, if you need any information, you can do comment. Stay blessed, stay care. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.